Donald Trump is beginning his second term addressing what he calls a crisis at the southern border. Several executive orders are tightening up restrictions on immigration.
Today, the Department of Justice warned that local and state officials who don't comply will be investigated. Fox 12's Julia Lopez joins us now live from Southwest Portland. And Julia, you've spoken with our local officials today. How are they reacting to all this?
Well, no one knows for sure what this enforcement will look like exactly, but what we do know is that Oregon is a sanctuary state, and our local district attorney and state attorney general each have faith in the state policies that have kept them out of immigration law for decades.
But it certainly appears as though the president wants to move forward.
It's day 3 of Trump's second presidency, with immigration law in the spotlight.
First, I will declare a national emergency at our southern border.
Today, the U.S. Department of Justice issued a memorandum directing federal prosecutors to investigate state and local officials who impede enforcement of Trump's new immigration laws. Oregon Attorney General Dan Rayfield called this a politicization of the DOJ.
We really want to be focused, and I want to see how the department, the federal Department of Justice, moves forward with the memorandum. We've read it. I have some legal questions in terms of its viability moving forward. I would really like to see how the department intends to enforce that going forward.
Also questioning the execution of such an order is Multnomah County District Attorney Nathan Vasquez.
I do not believe it's going to be applied here appropriately, and we'll certainly stand up against that.
He says our local officials will continue immigration enforcement the way they have since the 80s. That is, staying out of it.
If we are told that a person has a warrant and it's simply for the allegation of being in the country illegally, then that's going to be handled by the feds. That's not something that we're going to enforce.
Here in Oregon, local agencies are prohibited from complying with federal immigration policy without a judge's order. Otherwise, police will not work with ICE or ask for citizenship status.
What's unique is we're not even in this conversation. That's for the majority of the Portland Police Bureau members. They are, acting upon state law.
Meanwhile, Rayfield is focused on the lawsuit he joined alongside 21 other state attorneys general, challenging Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship.
He took actions merely with the swipe of the pen to challenge the Constitution. We are here. We have a plan in place to protect all Oregonians and all of our values.
President Trump has said that ICE raids will happen in major cities, though he has not said when. And again, Oregon police will not comply with ICE or Customs and Border Protection without a federal warrant. Reporting live from Southwest Portland, Julia Lopez, Fox 12 Oregon.